Dreams, hope, roads, and challenges have something in common: you and your choices. It is these two factors that drive every person to reach to the ultimate point. Every one of us has hope. Every one of us has a desire to be happy. But happiness comes with a price of sacrifice, to let go of the sloth attitude, fear of the unknown, to the beckoning of the phoenix within. We are the race whose road began with no hope. To the discovery of fire came the flame of passion, a passion of survival. And this led to the discovery of nature's secrets and creation of modern marvels we see and know today. When we all look at marvels, we are astounded by the sheer size, shape, and engineering that went in its make. They are built to stand, to commemorate, to showcase, to make us believe that impossible as a word can be eliminated, and to make us remember of who we are and what our history was. The next time when the world shuns at you for being puny, look at yourself in the eye and tell yourself you will die, but your legacy will survive. Times are tough, the world is shut, so let's embark on a new journey, a journey that is committed to unleash the best of yourself.